Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I am sharing with you how Oscar Indigo broke the universe and put it back together again. Oscar's never really been good at baseball, so naturally he's a little bit nervous when he's asked to fill in for the team's injured all-star. But Oscar has a mysterious gold watch that can stop time, which he uses to fake the game-winning home run. So now he's the underdog, but he's also the town's new all-star. But you can't just steal time and mess with time and not have consequences. So pretty soon you start to see birds flying backwards, trees sprouting things, and even a second sun that appears in the sky. Oscar feels really bad about what happened, and he sets out to make it right. But it's going to take some extra batting practice and uncovering the town's best secret and one cosmic tomato bush to make it all happen. So, can Oscar fix everything? Will the town be okay? What is that town's secret that everybody's kept for so long? To find out, read How Oscar Indigo Broke the Universe and Put It Back Together Again. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.